Hello friends. So today I will talk about like how you can implement unit testing cases with the Jest. So as we know, like by default, we have Jasmine Karma framework in our project. Okay, so means sometimes in the project we were using Jest also. So how you can implement that thing with the Jest? So I will show you like how we can do that. So currently, let's see how it is working. So currently, it is running test cases with the Jasmine Karma framework that is by default in an Angular project. So if you want to use Jest like with that, so let me show you how we can do. So currently we see Jasmine and Karma. So currently there is a issue in it, so that is why it is throwing an error. What is this error? Let me check here. Okay, so this thing is not working currently. So our main focus is for just with Angular today. So let's see this. Still there is some issue in it. What is the issue now? Okay, let's ignore that. Let's implement the chest in it. Module not found. Okay, there is some module is missing. Okay, so we are using zone.js here, but zone.js path is changed now. So let's see this. Okay, because in the new version, so I am using Angular 18. So there are some changes with the zone.js, like they are trying to remove the zone.js for the performance. Yeah, just ignore it for now. And let's implement the chest. So firstly, what you need to do, you need to install some packages in it. Let's implement some packages like jest angular and types of jest. And then what we need to do, and now we can safely remove these dependencies that we are using for angular. And then just create this config file. Just config, under that we need to add our configuration. And this jest, there is another file to set up the jest configuration. And then we need to update these files, tsconfig spec json and tsconfig json, and update the package json file. And now we can remove this test.ts and karma config file. So let's remove this test.ts. We do not need it anymore. We do not need it anymore. Hmm. Setup test.ts. So yeah, we were configuring the jest. So now if I show you what configurations you need to do, what changes you need to make. So let me list out one by one what things you need to cover up. So let me show you. So what? So firstly, install the packages. Then just simply remove Jasmine Karma packages. So yeah. And now what we need to do? We need to create two setup files. So let me show you what you need to do then. Setup files, one step, second step, third step to set up files, what data files we have. So I will show you configuration also, like what configuration did I have done. So config and setup test. And now what's next is we need to remove the Jasmine kernel file because it is important, like to remove all those things also, so that you will get have more clarity. So let me mention that also, so that you will cannot forget to remove. So karma and remove these files. So let me mention remove these files. Then what we have next is, then after adding updating, then you need to update the config files. So you need to update this file so that you will get more idea. So update file, because this is a like for the TypeScript. For this we need to update this file tsconfig spec json. So in this, what we need to do, we just need to update the types from Jasmine to Jest. Okay, now because now it will cover up include spec and all those files. And also we need to add the update the tsconfig file also. So because there are some warning to like tsconfig json date files, these files I need to update. And then what we have, so after all these things, we just need to update the packages, and means we need to update the script in it. So in this we need to update the test script to just coverage update. Let me mention this thing also, update packages, and here we have just coverage. Okay, so now I think we are good with our changes. Now let me show you like what configuration we have done. And so if I show you the so here means you need to create the just config that I mentioned here. It means as we are using just, so to implement just we need to use this preset angular. So yeah, we will use that. And after that, what I have done, I update the script that I told you, and we just added and remove the package that I mentioned. Then means we, as we are using Jest, so means we need to update the script here also, like set up zone test environment. And then after this, what we have done means we have just updated the types and es module intro, and like both the ts config file, like Jasmine to Jest. And then what we have done, so these are minor changes that I have done according to, like these are the Jasmine kernel test cases that we have. So we are just simply using those like to run all those test cases. So if you run this test, so this is Jest coverage that we are using now. So it is totally changed to the Jest, which is not no longer using Jasmine Karma. So let me run this also, so that you will get more understanding, like what, like you can delete all those things. And this Jest is also a popular package, so it is very good to use this package. So here, like if you see, it is running all those past class cases. So yeah, if you run any error or anything, you can comment on my video, so I will try to fix it. Yeah, thanks guys for watching. If any doubt or anything, you can add comment. So like it generated, so just keep this thing also, like it generated the coverage report. So yeah, you can test like what, how many files are tested or not. So here it is generated a coverage folder. Okay, so yeah, you will get more idea like what things you have tested or what things you do not have. So yeah, thanks guys for watching.